Okay, it's Monday the 7th of August and I'm having a look at gold. Right now you can see this gold chart here goes back to 2012. That's the trend line that you're looking at. Well, this is the big trend line here, which starts, I think, that's October 2012. Yeah, October 2012. So it's a long one. It's a good nearly 5-year-old trend line, and it is the most important factor in gold at the moment. It does appear that we've broken above here, so this is in theory quite bullish. We had the low 1260 area as resistance, but now you can see the downward sloping trend line means that this week the important level is a little bit lower than it has been. Now, we have tried to poke our noses above this trend line before and failed, so I'm a little bit wary because I was really caught out last time actually. There we go, daily chart's a bit clearer. I was really caught out last time when we broke above this trend line. It seems such a decisive break. You can see we had 1, 2, 3 day closes above it, and I thought, here we go, gold is going to motor. All we've got to do now is get through 1295, which was the April high, and we're off. So there I was buying into it and dragging my subscribers into longs as well. And then 3 days later, we're back below it. And you can see there was quite a battle going on here with bulls and bears. Initially, we bounced right off the trend line, and then we closed below it, and then we spiked up, but couldn't close the day above it. So it was a horrible, horrible period, actually. Very, very confusing. And in the end, we even broke below the 100-day moving average and came down here. I've no idea really why we held down at 1204. Okay, there was a 50% fib, but I don't really see that as significant. So basically, all that you can say is over the last few months we've been trading sideways. There's no clear pattern, no clear trend, but to my mind the most important level is still around this trend line, which is sort of in the mid to high 1250 area, and that coincides with the blue 100-day moving average. I can't see that there's anything more important. Now, right now we are holding above that mid. There's also a short-term fib at 1257, so you can see that mid 1250 area should be very, very important. And if we can hold above here, okay, we were a little bit overbought, we pulled back a little bit, but if we can continue to hold above here and then get up through last week's high, which is around 1274, there's nothing really to stop us retesting 1295, and I think this time we'll push through 1295 and keep going. So I am pretty bullish, but if we start breaking down below 1250, I am going to be wrong. And then we've got this little trend line down here around 1243. Below there is going to be negative. We're going to be targeting 1230, 1220.